This is the oil and water don't mix science experiment. For this experiment, what we're gonna need is water, an empty glass container so we can see everything, yes, and some oil.
Yes, some oil.
So that way we can go ahead and see it. We're gonna go ahead and use a little bit of food coloring to bring the color out.
I'm gonna do it.
Hang on, we're gonna squeeze 2 drops in there. Ready? 1, 2. Okay, that's it. Too much. All right, so now what we do is we're gonna go ahead and put the water in there.
Yes. Yes. It's red. It's red.
All right, so now we can see that the water is in there. We're gonna go ahead and add the oil, and as you can see, it starts separating itself because oil only likes hanging out with oil, and water only likes hanging out with water. I'm gonna go ahead and
close the top.
Close it up, and as you can see, you know, the water stays at the bottom and the oil stays on top. Yeah. Because they can't stand each other, you know, no matter what you do. We're gonna go ahead and, you know, try to shake things up. They semi-mixed, but as you can tell, they still separate. No matter how violent I got.
Yeah.
I shook it pretty violently. Go ahead, you wanna shake it?
Yeah.
The oil starts to settle, you know, both the oil and the water starts to separate again.
Yeah.
Here's another container that we've got that has already settled. Okay.
Yeah,
what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna go ahead and add a secret ingredient.
Yeah. So we're gonna
to get them to mix.
Yeah. Look at this top.
All right. And it just needs a little bit.
Yeah.
In order for it to work. All right. So we put in there a little bit of the secret ingredient, and then we shake it. All right, so now you can go ahead and see the difference. So next time that somebody says that you guys can't get along, you guys are like oil and water, now you can go ahead and tell them that you know a secret that can get them to play along just fine. All right. This has been a science experiment.
Yes,
science, cause it's cool. Science.
Science.
Science rules.
Thanks for watching. And everything, and wow, they mixed. I think there was soap in there already.